Hello, my name is Hamko and this is my lovely daughter Axel, and today we will be covering investing for our young ones. Hey Axel, how old are you?
3.
Oh, 3 years old. What stock are you going to buy today?
McDonald's.
Oh, are you going to make a lot of money with McDonald's? Man, I wish I started investing when I was 3 years old, because by now I would definitely be a millionaire. Unfortunately for me, I was more interested in swing sets, slides and eating boogers. You want the best for your kids. You want them to have the best life possible. You never want them to move out. You want to keep them as close as possible at all times. You want to help them in whatever they want to do in the adventure called life. You want them to give them a head start financially so they can pursue their dreams. Best financial start you can give your children is to be financially secure yourself. So if you have any debt, don't start investing in your children just yet. I don't need to remind you, these little buggers are expensive. Be aware, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. So how can you invest for your kids? You probably now have a traditional savings account at a 0.11% interest rate. That way, you can send your kids to college when they turn 50. Most countries also have a special type of savings account. For example, in Belgium, we have Tech21, which is like a savings insurance account with a whopping warranted gross interest of 0.85%. So maybe now you can send your kids to college at the age of
45.
Or you can invest in funds. Although more risky than the options I mentioned before, investing in index funds are far more profitable, and the risk is very low as the risk is spread out when you invest for your kids at a young age, at a very long investment horizon like 18 years. VWCE, for example, had the last 10 years an average annual return rate of 12.9%. While VT6, which is the US total stock index funds for the people watching in the US, had the last 10 years an average annual return of 14.7%. There's also VTUX for the people watching in the US who want to invest in a world index fund like VWCE. So due to the low risk and much greater interest, this is a far better investment in my eyes. Axel, what do you think?
This is dime.
So let's say you invest 5,000 euros in VWCE at the birth of your little wonder. And you invest another 25 euros each month for the next 18 years at an average annual return of 12.9%. That will give your pride and joy a head start of 71,446.51 euros. Here's an easy to understand video about what index funds are. Take into account most online brokers don't allow investing under the age of 18. But you can set up an account under your own name and give it to your kids when they turn 18. But please make sure you don't die in the next 18 years or your next of kin will have to pay some succession costs. So that's the easy part. Now here's the hard part. You got 18 years to raise your kids right so they don't blow all their money on cocaine and gambling. Teach them some good money habits instead, like hitting the subscribe button. Go out!